In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to secure your Coinbase wallet with a strong password and biometric. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can secure your Coinbase wallet with a strong password and biometric. So in that case, what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and first of all log in into your Coinbase wallet account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you could go ahead and press the gear icon, and right on this page you could go to security. As you click on security, you can see a lot of options available in order to secure your account. The first method is you can use a password that is long, random and unique to your Coinbase account, and never use the same password twice across your online account to make it easy on you. Now, to make it easy for you, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and click on security lock, or you can go ahead and click on lock method and accordingly customize all of these features. And if not, then you can also try resetting your password by tapping on the forgot password button, and that's gonna take you to the reset link where you can go ahead and create a new one or update your password. So basically you can go through the steps, and from here as well you could go and secure your Coinbase wallet with a strong password and biometric. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.